episode of our Plants vs. Zombies series. We're gonna have more, trust me. Don't worry about the Angry Birds series, which doesn't have a lot. We'll have more too, okay? But meanwhile, with the others, I got a cute hat, I got a cute hat, I got a cute hat, we like to get cute hats, ow. So boring. I'll say hello to my cousin. Hi there, cousin. Hi, Melon Poop. How cold is it today? In the teens. Must be cold. Yeah, I'm not cold. Wow, you're awesome. You're brave. Wait for me, cousin. Oh, man. Hi. You really need something. Need what? Snow pants? Yay! Hi. Oh my god, my face is covered in snow! Oh my god, I feel like fainting. Awkward! Hi guys, this is 27 Flower, and my little brother or sister, he just wants to put his head in a glove and faint. I don't care about anyone. It's cold out here. I got a cute scarf. Hey, that's our line. No one cares. I am not cold. I am so hot. So when in the summer when you're out, it's cold for you? Yes. Somebody get me something. Drink or some food? Anything. Want me to get you a sword so you can die? No, not that kind of stuff. But guys, the thing you really need to check out is my cousin. I am a part sunflower. Meanwhile, with the zombies. Guys, get in your sleigh already. We're about to attack the plant. Whee! Come on, dude. Come on! We are done! You want me to push you guys? Yeah, where? Down the hill. Ah! I'm eating snow! Alright, time for me to go down there and rock this hill! Whoa! That was bad. Alright, we are going to slide over to the plants and knock them over and make them die. Whee! Yay! Woohoo! This is fun! Fun! Oh my god! Ooh! The Olympics, man! Yeah! I love you too! I think I am game over. Wow. Hey dude, look it! What is that? I got the big snowball. Do it, jumper! Ow! Uh-oh. No, Millpool! Ow. Why'd you knock me over, man? Sorry, just trying to save my cousin. Guys! You are so terrible at throwing snowballs at plants! Well, we hit someone. Don't you dare, or I'm gonna go bowling on you. What does the word bowling mean? It means to let your sleigh go! Woohoo! I have a beer. I'm going to shoot. Game over, plants. You guys lost. Face it or not. We will just destroy you. Oh no! Tactile boost! Activated! Oh well. My turn! Alright. Time to make me eat those plants. Woo! We're going up! And over! I'm so terrible at doing that stuff. I'm just gonna throw myself at those plants. Now, let's start eating through everything. do it again. Nom. Nom. I like to do this. Boy, think of when the gargantuan comes, and then these guys are going to be in big trouble. What is that? It's a glove. It's like a walnut. Oh, God. Nom, 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 nom. Here comes the cherry bomb, yo! Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Do I feel a blanket in my back, or do I? Will the plants be able to survive this dreadful fight of the sleigh riders? Or will they die and zombies will eat their brains? Find out next time on Plants vs. Zombies in the snow.